Hello,
Hello,
Pawan.
hello. I'm
Hi,
audible.
how are you?
Hello.
I'm audible, Pawan.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening, sir. Hello. You are muted, sir.
Yeah. Wait a second, Pawan.
Okay.
Hey, hi, Pawan. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Okay, Pawan, it's your JS smoke, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Let's
your voice little bit low.
now, Pawan, it's okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let's start with your introduction. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, I'm Pawan Rajkumar Devati. I'm 24 years old. I currently live in Pune. I done my bachelor's in computer application from Nanded University. Currently, last 2 years, I working as an Angular developer, and I'm a good team player, self-motivated and hardworking candidate. My interest includes playing cricket, fitness, and some indoor games. Uh, that's all about me, sir.
Okay, Pawan. How you rate yourself in JavaScript out of five?
3.5.
What? Come again, Pawan.
Hello.
What do what you rate yourself in JavaScript?
3.5, sir.
3.5.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with your okay. So, Pawan, tell me what is the difference between div tag and span tag?
Div tag is that. Div
Yeah,
tag is a block level element, and in span tag is a inline element. Uh, div tag always starts in a new line, and span tag always starts in a same line. Div tag get height and width of 100% of its parent, and span tag takes width is 100% of its content. We can apply div padding and margin all four sides, but in span tag we can apply only left and right sides. We cannot apply top and bottom.
Pawan, please turn on your camera.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
and how many positions in CSS?
Uh, there are five positions in CSS: static, relative, absolute, sticky, and fixed. By default, it is static. Static means the way of page, flow of page, uh, of our page. By default, it's static position of our CSS, and absolute, relative means the its normal position where we can apply to the parent, where we can move the child of that parent element to the reference of that parent. And absolute, we give to the child where to that elements, which elements we have to move with the reference of their relative. And fixed means when we apply any element to the fixed position, then it's fixed to the window or screen. Even we can scroll down or up. And sticky means when we give any element to the sticky position, it goes to the top of the, it goes up to the top side and stick there. Hello.
Yes. What are the pseudo selectors?
Pseudo selectors are advanced selectors in CSS, where there are two types in pseudo selectors: pseudo elements and pseudo class. In pseudo element, we can use pseudo selector to give a certain state of CSS or particular particular area of that element. We can apply the CSS or select the CSS. There are nth of child, first child, last child. Uh, these are, or in pseudo class there are after, before. These are the pseudo selectors.
Okay. You go with JavaScript. What,
Yes.
what is the difference between late, const, and where?
These are the declarations in when we in late in where, when we declare where, we can update the value and reassign. We can redeclare it, and reassignment is possible in where. And hosting is also possible, but its value get undefined. But in late, we cannot redeclare it, but reassignment is possible. And hosting is also possible. We cannot, but the limitation is we cannot access before its declaration. And in const, when we declare const, then we define as soon as possible its value. We cannot redeclare, or reassignment is not possible in const. Hosting is also possible, but also that same limitation, we cannot access before initialization.
What is the list operator and spread operator?
Um, Spread operator means we expand the array into a single argument, and rest operator means we collects the all the remaining elements into an array. Is a rest operator.
What are the array methods?
Array methods, slice, splice, uh, and split method, and mm, yeah, that kind of methods.
What is the use of split method?
Sorry, split method to convert string into array.
Share your screen for
Is it visible?
yes, Pawan. The task is to print the random numbers in between 15 to 21.
15 to 21.
Yeah, create a function and print the random numbers.
15 to 21. Huh?
Yes, Pawan. Yes.
Yes.
We should yes.
Sir.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Okay, sir.
What is the difference between null and undefined? Yeah.
Your voice is breaking, sir. Not clear.
Okay, okay. What is the difference between null and undefined?
Null and undefined.
Yes, yes, null and undefined.
Okay. Null means we can. It is a empty value. When we give any declaration or any variable to null, then its value is no any value will be stored in that declaration. It's fully of empty. But in undefined, we declare a value, we declare a declaration variable, but we cannot assign any value. That's undefined.
What is local scope and global scope?
Sir,
Local scope and global scope.
local scope and global scope.
Local and global.
Local and global.
Yes, local and global.
By default, the JavaScript has a global scope where uh, we can write our program in by default in global scope. And local scope means when we use functions, then it creates a local scope or block scope.
And what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy?
Shallow copy and deep copy.
Yeah.
Okay. Shallow copy means it changes the upper object reference, not the nested object reference, and it copies the as it is the original object in another object. And shallow copy is faster than deep copy. In deep copy, it changes the both object reference, object as well as nested object reference, and it deep copy creates a new clone of the original object. When we change the we make changes in deep copy object, it does not affect on original object. That is the difference.
What is the meaning of
What's it?
high order functions?
Higher order function.
Yeah.
uh, Higher order functions, it includes in ES6, uh, where higher order functions means a function which accepts another function as an argument is called higher order functions. Higher order functions are map, filter, find, sum, every. These are flat. These are the higher order functions.
What is callback function?
What is
Callback function.
callback function?
Yeah.
A function which accept another function as an argument is called callback function. Sorry. A function which passed as an argument in another function is called callback functions, and also we call callback function a function. Yes, this stuff. A function which passed as an argument in another function is called callback functions.
Event loop in JavaScript.
What's it?
What is event loop in JavaScript?
Event loop.
Yeah.
Event loop is a concept in JavaScript where it handles the task without without disturbing or it handles the uh, handles the task without interface or disturbing the main thread. It uh, it makes sure that the all functions or all the program will be run in smoothly. If one of the function will be take time for getting data from server, then it helps the function will be all function get execute smoothly.
Okay, Pawan. Okay, Pawan. In index.html, create a URL like this.
That's it.
Hello.
Hello.
Create a URL list in index.html page.
URL and li.
Yeah. Take 6 li.
How many LIs?
6.
6. What content I do should fill it in their LIs? Hello.
Write down in LIH 1, 2, 3 or name like HTML, CSS.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, Pawan. I want to each ally. I want to each odd ally. Background color is red.
Each odd ally background color is
Red.
red.
Yeah, by using JavaScript.
Okay.
No problem. No problem. We'll check after the interview. So, what is JSON.stringify and JSON.parse? You know,
JSON dot.
JSON.stringify and JSON.parse.
Yeah, sir. JSON dot stringify means when we give the data from server browser to server, we can convert it into string format and sends to the database or server side. And JSON parse means when we give the data, taken the data from the server side, it is in string format. With using JSON dot parse, we can convert string to in JS object.
And what are state and map objects in JavaScript?
What's it?
Uh, what are state and map objects in JavaScript? State and map objects. Do you know
State and map.
state and map?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get your voice clearly.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, Pawan. Now it's clear.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, Pawan. I'm asking what are set and map object is in JavaScript?
State and map.
Yeah. Do you know?
Sorry, sir, I didn't aware about that concept.
No problem. What is function current in JavaScript?
Currying function.
Yeah.
Function is a process of functions that taking the functions. Uh, it is a process of functions. It is a process that taking the all functions, multiple arguments in a single um, kind of that. It is a process. Functions of multiple arguments are get executed by sequentially in a sequentially in a function which can turning it into a single argument. That is a currying function.
Okay. What is debouncing in JavaScript?
Debouncing.
Yeah.
Debouncing is a technique in used in JavaScript where we stop we don't we do, to ensure that we don't call functions too frequently. That is a debouncing.
What, Pawan? Can you repeat?
It is a technique in JavaScript to ensure that the function don't call too frequently, and we give a specific time of inactivity to that debossing function. If the function, if debossing function is invoked, then it wait for the specific period of inactivity. If the function is executed in that period of inactivity, then it reset the time until the period of inactivity is completely not completed. The function will not be executed.
Okay. And what is throttling?
Throttling means it is also a concept. It is a technique in JavaScript where a user cannot, no matter whenever what user can invoke a function or triggers the or fires the event. The it In throttling, the function will execute in a given interval time period of given time of interval.
Check in chat box, Pawan. remove the duplicates from the array.
Duplicates.
Yeah, duplicate. No problem. So, hello. Am I audible,
Hi,
sir?
sir. Sorry, sir, your light electricity is gone
Okay,
here.
no problem. Keep it up. Continue.
Is it visible?
Yeah, continue.
Okay, sir. Battery is 8%. Hello, sir.
Yes, one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, one. So, do you know
A video?
what is one?
Yes, sir.
It's fine. Okay.
Mm.
Do you know one what is function composition in JavaScript?
Function composition.
Yeah, in JavaScript. Do you know? You heard about?
No, sir, I don't aware about that. Don't read about
Or what is call bind and apply?
bind and apply.
Yeah.
Call method execute the functions immediately in call method with special this word keyword, special this keyword and arguments. And in apply, it also executes the functions immediately with specified this keyword, an argument provided as an array, and bind method, it does not execute functions immediately, but it create a new function with specified this keyword and optional preset of arguments. It does not call immediately. It call after when we call, but does not uh, call immediately.
Okay, Pawan. And what is the purpose of object.create method?
Object.create.
Yeah, object.create method.
Object.create method is used to create an object in JavaScript. It is a way, it is a method to create an object in JavaScript with uh, the existing object as the prototype of existing object.
Okay, Pawan. And what is the getters and setters method in JavaScript?
Getter and setters methods.
Yeah.
Uh, getters and setters. Sorry, sir, I didn't recall at this moment.
Okay, okay, no problem. Pawan, tell me what is DOM?
Now,
Yes, DOM.
DOM stands for a document object model. Using DOM, we can handle the HTML elements through JavaScript dynamically, or CSS is also we can handle through JavaScript dynamically. We can apply CSS and many functions through JavaScript by some methods. We can select the HTML elements by get element ID, by class name, classes, by query selector all. That's all of it.
Okay. And what is temporal dead zone?
Temporal dead zone.
Yeah.
It is a JavaScript behavior which occurs only when we use let and const, not in where. Uh, when we access let and const before its initialization, it throws an reference error. The time span between when that happening, uh, where variable binding and its declaration, that time span called temporal dead zone.
Okay, Pawan. Do you know what is promise?
Promise? Yes, sir. It gives values in futures. We can use promise for handling the behavior of asynchronous operations. Using promise, we can handle asynchronous operation. It is more readable than callback functions, or yeah, it is more maintainable. Yeah, when we use asynchronous operation when we use promise on asynchronous operation, we can give consume by uh, then method and handle error handling by catch method. In promises, we can handling error is better than callback functions. There are four states in promises: pending, fulfilled, reject, and settled. In pending, waiting for result, and in fulfilled, promise either be succeed, and in reject, promise either be action related to promise rejected, and in settle, promise either be succeed or rejected.
Okay. And how do handle errors in JavaScript?
Error handling in JavaScript
Yeah, yeah.
by using promises async awaits set promises. There are methods, catch methods in promises, and as well as in async await catch methods. By using catch method, we can handle error handling in JavaScript.
Okay, Pawan. What is async await?
Async await is a synthetical sugarcoating over promises. It totally depends on promises. It also returns a promise. In async await, It is more readable and maintainable than promises. In that we use async keyword and await keyword. Async keyword is used for start of the function. It returns promises, and await keyword we use to consume that promises. In async await we can use a try and catch method. Try method is for uh, consuming the statements or operations, and consuming the promises, and catch method for handling error handling. And uh, it looks like synchronous. It handles the asynchronous operation but looks like a synchronous. It yes, it executes functions sequentially one by one.
Okay, Pawan. Okay. And what is memoization in JavaScript? Memoization. Do you know memoization? What is?
So I can't
Okay, no problem.
hear.
What is web storage?
Storage. Web
Yes.
storage is a mechanism in JavaScript where we can um, store the data in the form of key and value pairs on the browser. There are two types of web storages: local storage and session storage. In both, we can store the data in the form of key and value pairs. In difference is that in local storage, we can save the data or store the data with no expiry date, and in session storage, store the data for one session. And the capacity of local storage and session storage will be the 5 MB.
Okay, Pawan, what is the purpose of promise.all?
Promise.all.
Yes.
Using promise.all, we can run the all promises or all API calls at the same time. That is the purpose of promise.all.
Hello, Pawan. Check in chat box. Just tell me what is the output come.
It returns first we will be return not a number.
Just write down here your answer.
Number of BBC. It shows error, reference error. No, no.
Are you sure?
Un not defined, not defined.
Are you sure, Paul?
No,
Check,
sir. In second.
check, check once again.
Okay.
Take your time.
Sorry, sir. In second. Can I check the value also?
Okay. And what is the answer of line number 40? You know? You don't know?
I'm little bit confused, sir.
So what is your answer? Just write down.
Undefined.
Okay, Pawan, okay. Check it in browser.
Two, three, not.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, yeah. I'm confused.
What is set timeout function in JavaScript? And yeah, and how it's used?
Set timeout. Set timeout is used for to delay the execute function, delay the execution of function by giving some time. It is used for handle the synchronous operations. And when we use set timeout, it executes the function after the some time, after the we give uh, the time. After the time completed, the function will be executed.
Okay, Pawan, okay. And what is prevent default in JavaScript?
Prevent default.
Yeah.
It is prevent default stops the by default behavior of submit event to stop the refreshing the page.
Okay, Pawan. What are service workers in JavaScript?
Sir?
What is service workers? What are service workers in JavaScript? Service workers. Do you know?
Service worker.
Yeah, service worker.
Service worker is a special kind of workers. Are mainly designed to manage the network request and enable the offline functionalities in the browser.
And what is weak set in JavaScript?
What is
Weak set.
weak set?
Weak set.
Weak set.
Weak set.
Yeah, weak set. WAKC
Yes,
setting.
yes, ET.
Setting JavaScript.
Okay, okay, fine, no problem.
I didn't recall at this moment, sir.
No problem.
I read about that, but can't recall that.
Let in chat.
But sir, hello.
Yes, Pawan. Take in chat box. Okay, this is input. I want to like this output, line number 43. How can you do that? Hello, what happened, Pawan?
Yes, sir, I can't find it out. Sorry, sir, I can't find out.
Okay, Pawan, okay, no problem. We'll check it after the interview. Okay, Pawan, do you know what is coercion?
Quotient means conversion of values from one data type to another data type is called quotient.
Taking charge of Pawan.
Yes, sir, this will be answer.
Okay, Pawan, check in the browser. No, you not cancel it. Okay, okay, no problem, Pawan, no problem. My first question is, what is the meaning of this keyword and new keyword in JavaScript?
This keyword is new keyword.
Uh,
This keyword is used for to represent the closest parent, and we cannot use in arrow function this keyword. That is the limitation of this keyword. And new keyword, we can create a new function or new object by using new keyword in constructor functions.
okay, Pawan. Okay, done from. Do you have any
So,
questions for me?
yes, sir. What about say? What is the feedback about my?
Hello, yes, Pawan, come again.
What is the feedback you give to me about my
So feedback,
interview performance?
we can give you the feedback, but you can
Oh,
focus on your coding and also part of the theory, some part of theory.
okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.